Um, the main barrier that we're seeing is people who haven't built mobile sites. That's the first thing. Once they've built a mobile site, then they have to really start thinking about what ads to use. So usually they start off with core search, and as they get more mature, they start using these mobile-specific formats. Like I mentioned, click-to-call, site links, user reviews, and formats that are really made for people who are out of the house, away from their desktop computer, and are often trying to find something. So there's much more to come from Google, many more innovative ad units that we're actually building right now that will roll out next year. We're working hard on a couple of things. One is taking the friction out of the buying process on phones. So trying to make sure that we can enable advertisers with sites who want to drive commerce through their phones to easily set up campaigns that will drive commerce. We're experimenting with things like pre-caching of information, so you don't have to keep filling in the same information every single time you hit a commerce site to make it easier to buy. And of course, the mobile wallet team is really focused on taking the friction again out of transactions through mobile phones. Other forward-looking types of things we're doing on mobile is we want to use location in a more how do I explain this? We're trying to take location into account in our ad systems. So we are experimenting with something we're calling bid by distance. And the idea there is to allow advertisers to bid more for a potential customer when they're close to that physical location or store. So for example, if you were searching for Macy's and you were within a mile of the store, you may want to have a higher CPC than if you were 10 miles away. And that's something we're going to roll out with experiments in Q4.